How to enable or disable online tips and help for Settings app in Windows 10. Windows 10's online tips can be helpful, but sometimes they're a distraction you'd rather do without. Regardless of your expertise, we'll show you how to take control and customize your settings to suit your needs. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding online tips in Windows 10. Windows 10 includes online tips and suggestions directly in the Settings app. These are dynamic elements pulled from Microsoft's servers to provide helpful context about available features or related settings. They can appear as highlighted boxes prompting new features, sidebars suggesting additional settings, or hyperlinks leading to Microsoft's online documentation. While useful for some, they can be unnecessary in professional or managed IT environments, increasing network traffic and raising privacy concerns. Disabling them gives you more control over the user experience and can help limit unnecessary data collection. Using group policy to disable tips. For those using Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education editions, the group policy editor is the simplest method. First, open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key plus R. Type gpedit.msc and press Enter. Next, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Control Panel, Allow Online Tips. Double-click on the Allow Online Tips policy, set it to Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Finally, restart your computer or run gpupdate/force in command prompt to apply the changes immediately. Using Registry Editor to disable tips, all versions. If you're on Windows 10 Home or prefer to use the registry, this method works for all versions. First, open the Registry Editor by pressing Windows key plus R, typing regedit, and pressing Enter. Navigate to H key, Local, Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, Explorer. If you don't see an Explorer key, create one. Inside, right-click and create a new DWORD 32-bit value named Allow Online Tips. Then, set its value to 0 to disable the tips. Close the editor and restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Troubleshooting common issues and FAQs. Encountering issues? Sometimes things don't go as planned. Let's cover some common issues you might encounter and how to fix them. If group policy isn't available, it's likely because you're using Windows 10 Home. Use the registry method instead. If registry changes don't take effect, that you've created the Allow Online Tips DWORD 32-bit value correctly, and restart your system. If you still see some tips after disabling them, remember that some tips are built directly into the Windows UI and don't rely on online data. Disabling telemetry-related privacy settings can help reduce these, but for a complete lockdown, consider using kiosk mode. Finally, if settings revert after an update, verify your group policy or registry settings, and consider disabling settings sync under your Microsoft account to prevent policy reversal. Now you have the knowledge to enable or disable online tips in Windows 10 settings. These methods give you greater control over the user experience and can help limit unnecessary data collection. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable online tips and help for Settings app in Windows 10, linked in the description below.